Hey YouTubers, I've cooked with this bread maker over a couple dozen times. It's never budged on the counter. It weighs 15 pounds. I was in the other room, heard a big noise. While I was baking bread, it fell off while I was mixing. I swear sometimes I think I have ghosts in this house. I found one time at night a 3-gallon jug of water, rectangular, from Walmart, came off the shelf at night. I had a big box of cassette tapes that was on the shelf one night. They came out on the floor, and now this thing falls on the floor. It's like it was mixing, and it logical. The movement could have made it wobble, but look how heavy this is. This weighs 15 pounds. It was over here, and it falls on the floor. It's just like sometimes things in this house it don't make any sense. But anyway, the mixer has been, or the bread maker, has been making a terrible noise when it first starts, and I've always wanted to find ways to lubricate it. And when it fell on the ground, the front popped off, and I found that's one way to access the motor. So, you know, it's an ill wind, it blows nobody good. So now I have a way to access the motor to put some WD-40, and we'll see if that makes it mix a little better. So I thought I'd let you know, if you have a bread mixer that's this brand, the DAC Turbo, and if you're wanting to access the motor, you can do it by taking off the front part here. Just a little bit of WD-40 quieted up a lot, so maybe that helped. So it still works. If you need to access it, this panel can pop out. Now the tabs are broken on this, so it won't snap in, so I'll just put some tape across the top, and it's good to go. No harm, no foul. So, but how did this thing jerk off the side of the cabinet counter? I don't know. It doesn't make any sense. But it's a lot smoother now, so we'll see what happens.